Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm Walker Percy. I'm just standing in the middle of this evangelical seminary, sipping some bourbon, holding my copy of William Faulkner. Ah, bourbon, I love it. Sweet Kentucky nectar. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not an alcoholic. In fact, I abhor alcoholism. But I feel what's the use of avoiding cancer and cirrhosis if you can't enjoy a little Kentucky sunshine from time to time. Now, about myself. First and foremost, I'm a novelist. However, I was ushered into that profession by some rather peculiar circumstances. See, I graduated from Columbia University with my medical degree. However, shortly after I received the degree, I contracted tuberculosis. I was left bedridden for some time. And, as any sensible and educated bedridden man would do, I read Dostoevsky, Kierkegaard, and many other brilliant writers and philosophers of an existentialist bent. Now, suddenly, my expertise in the hard sciences seemed entirely inadequate, and I was faced with one simple question. Why can I size up Saturn or a stranger in merely 10 seconds, and cannot do the same for myself, who I've known my entire life? See, the modern quasi-religion of scientism mischievously gives plenty of explanations, but with everything under the sun supposedly, including man, subject to some theory of explanation, why is it that the modern man wanders the planet with an unshakable sense of alienation and purposelessness? My intellectual and spiritual pursuits for answers eventually led me to Catholicism, and I have spent the bulk of my career employing language, semiotics, existentialism, and my religious beliefs to provide treatment for what I see to be the diagnosis of modern man. Existential malaise. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some Kentucky Sunshine to drink. I'm Walker Percy, and I approve this message.